Hi, it's Monday, Memorial Day weekend. That means Power Tour starts next Saturday. Not too many days left, still a whole lot of work to be done on my Chevelle. The LS3 engine still needs some dress work. I need to change out the exhaust manifolds for the set of Hooker LS engine swap headers that I've got. Set up the clutch and the bell housing on the back. Hopefully everything will be within spec there. And then I've got a front accessory drive system that I'm going to mock up on the engine before dropping it in. I want to make sure that there's as little to do on the engine once it's in the engine bay as possible. But before I get the engine in the engine bay, I think the last thing I need to do under hood is get the hydraulic clutch cylinder mounted, get all of that figured out, so I'm not trying to fix that once the engine's in. We still need to put the front suspension on the car. I did manage to get the bare brakes installed on the back and check the fitment on the 18 by 12 inch wheels. Everything looks really good there. Tony did a great job of figuring out the wheel measurements with the ABC Performance Mini Tub Kit. The interior has been completely mocked up, so I know where everything needs to go. The dash is not coming back out. The steering column is in. The door panels need to come back off so that the glass can go in the car. Hopefully that'll happen in the next day or two here. Got the headliner installed in the car. Ironically, this is the first time in my 21 years of owning the car that it's had a headliner. Hopefully within a day or two I'll be able to post an update that says that we got a ton of work done on the car over Memorial Day weekend and we're well on our way to Power Tour.